So what if you could find just one source at the tip of your fingers that will give you access to multiple opportunities to make money? Well, stick around, because in today's video, that's what we're going to be doing for you when we share with you one singular mobile-based application that you can download for absolutely free, but get access to over 20 different opportunities to make additional, or for those of you who are out of work and need some work, to get you making some money. So stick around, because we're going to be bringing that right to you right now. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Brian here at Revenue Pro Tips. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, that's why we're talking about one singular mobile-based application that you can download for absolutely free and gain access to over 20 different opportunities to make money. So if you're somebody who has no income whatsoever and you're looking for a way to make money, this video is for you. If you're somebody who has a job or a business and you just want to add on some additional streams of income and bring in more money, this video is for you. All right, now I do have to tell you today's this application, ladies and gentlemen, is only, to my knowledge, available on Android devices. So to my knowledge, is not this exact app is not available on iOS for those of you who are Apple users out there. But I'm pretty sure there's some similar ones out there. But this one that I'm going to be sharing with you today is one that I'm familiar with, one that I have used. Now, before we jump into the video and I show you this app and these opportunities, though, I do want to say, for those of you who are just joining us for the first time, every single week here at Revenue Pro Tips, we bring you information, tips, and even online-based opportunities and mobile-based opportunities to help you create some or even additional multiple flows of income. All right. So at any time during this video, I suggest and I would encourage you to hit the little red subscribe button below and the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss out when we upload new content. And if you get great value from this video, you like what you see, let us know. Hit the thumbs up button to let us know you like the video. All right. And also, don't be afraid. Please do share this with other people who you think can gain value, some knowledge, some information, or even help them generate some income. All right. Now, with that said, we're actually going to jump right on into this video, and I'm going to be taking you into my phone here, and I'm going to be showing you quickly this application that you can download for free today. Let's jump into the phone. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so here we are on my phone, and I'm going to swipe up, and this is the application right here, Earn Extra Income, that I was suggesting to y'all that you could download this in the Play Store for those of you who are Android users for absolutely free. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Earn Extra Income. Again, you can go to the Play Store within your Android device, the Google Play Store, and just type in Earn Extra Income. So here we go. You can see here, reason why I like this application, guys, is because there's some out there that applications or apps that are similar to this, where they give you ideas on ways to earn an extra income. But what I like about Earn Extra Income is it actually plugs you right into different companies and platforms where you can go to them and earn the money that you're looking to make. All right. Now, there's multiple different industries and opportunities that you'll see here on this app. You have user testing. Now, we have made videos before on our channel about user testing. It's a platform in which you go on, they have different assignments where you can basically go on, browse a website. They'll have certain tasks for you to do on different type of websites, and you basically are thinking your thoughts out loud, right? So if I click on this one, I'm going to exit that. It's going to tell you a little bit about each one of these. When you click on these through this Earn Extra Income app, once you click on the different companies or the different platforms, they will tell you a little bit about the company, the platform, and what you can expect as someone looking to make income. Also, they have their own like rating system. Earn Extra Income has its own different rating system on how they rate each one of these opportunities here. So you'll see in terms of ease of use, they give it a 3 out of 5 star, earning potential 2 out of 5 star, fun factor 4 out of 5 star. All right. And it says get paid $10 for every 20-minute video you create reviewing apps and websites. Now, like I said, I have personally used user testing as just one way I've made money with in this regard, in terms of going on websites, browsing. I've done, I think, as little as like 6 minutes test it says it takes 20 minutes. They don't all take 20 minutes. Some are longer, but some are much shorter, right? But I still got the same $10. There's actually on user testing some gigs, I would call them, where they give you instructions to browse certain sites or do certain things where they'll pay you out more than $10. Okay, so it's not always the same, but it's a great platform to again generate some extra income. They tell you start by submitting a short sample video, right? So it gives you some of the qualifications. And it tells you also what kind of experience. For some of these opportunities, you're going to need certain type of experience. So you might not qualify depending on your experience, your background. But it'll tell you what kind of basically you'll be doing, how you sign up, how you get started with these opportunities, and then maybe experience needed, experience not needed, things of that nature. Availability, where in the world do you have to reside to be able to gain access to the opportunities? So you can see for user testing, you can live anywhere. They pay out via PayPal. And then it gives you a little description. Some of the through Earn Extra Income app, it'll give you sometimes, kind of a guide on how to do these opportunities successfully. Okay, it gives you useful links in regards to this opportunity, videos. Visit the actual user testing website. You can go straight to it. And then what's next, right? It also gives you other websites that are similar to this opportunity, right? Enroll app, testing time, try my UI. This is just one example, guys. We can go up and down. Fiverr, for those of you who are freelancers who have special skill sets and things like that. We've done videos here on the Revenue Pro Tips channel about opportunities for making income or creating your own business as a freelancer. All right. So if you have specific skill sets, doing freelancing is one of the most profitable and stable work online today, right? So if you have typing skills, if you have some kind of video editing, picture editing skill sets, things like these, you can leverage them by become a freelancer and create additional flow of income for yourself. And some people are full-time freelancers creating massive 5- and 6-figure incomes per year, some per month for themselves. Okay, depending on the type of work they do. Availability, all countries, multiple modes of payment, PayPal, Payoneer, bank transfer straight to your bank, direct deposit. Things like that. Again, Upwork is another similar freelancer site. They have recommended there. Similar. Teespring, we've done videos on Teespring, Folk, right? There's all kinds of things on here, right? Amazon MTurk is a portal where you can do micro jobs on the internet, right? It gives you information where you have to reside, how they're going to pay you out, right? There are all kinds of Honestbee. I haven't even heard of this one. Buying groceries has become a chore for some people. Honestbee connects people who do not have time to get their groceries with people willing to do it for a fee. Honestbee pays its bees per grocery line item. So you can go out and pick up people's groceries for people, right? And deliver it to them, guys. Look, these opportunities, all 20 of these opportunities, 20 plus, are not going to be for every single person seeing this video. Understand that. But what we aspire to do here is to give people opportunity, simply opportunity. And one of the things that can frustrate people is, going from one website to another, watching one video to another video, to reading a blog and all these things, when this app right here can give you an opportunity through, just kind of this one place, this one hub in this app, and give you access and really quicken the process in terms of you finding opportunities that work for you. So I like how real simple it is. I like how they have multiple different opportunities, multiple industries, right? Because they understand that not everyone has the same background, the same experiences, right? So, but chances are with all the opportunities on this one app, guys, you're going to find something that would suit you and you can create multiple or another source of income, or even multiple sources of income for yourself, right? Again, the same thing. They give you information on how to get started, what it's about. Some of these, they give tips on how to be successful in doing them. Stuvia, Transcribe Me, right? Transcribing is a process of converting audio files into text. Some of you might be familiar with that, right? Where you listen to something and you convert that, type it up into text. There's all kinds of different platforms that will hire people like you and I to do this work. Okay. Transcribe Me is just one of them. They let you know how to start. Payment method, again, other sites that are similar to it, useful links in terms of how Transcribe Me works. There's all kinds, guys. Mod Squad is a well-known one. Zylock. I think I was looking at this a little bit ago, but if you have not used something for a year, you most likely would never use it. How many of you guys have things laying around your house or in your garage that you have probably not touched in like months to maybe even years, and it's just sitting there? You can actually use some of these things, put them on a platform like Zylock, rent them out basically, just like people are doing with Airbnb and people are doing with, Turo for their cars. You can use household items, tools, all kind of different things and rent them out because there are people willing to pay you a few bucks to rent it because they don't want to spend, 80, 90 bucks to buy it when they only need something one time and they can't think ever again when they ever need that same thing, right? If you have it, you can use it to make money. All right. So that's just another one. There's all kind of different opportunity. Travel Pay, I'll show around, right? I've seen opportunities on here where you can like dog walk. You see Turo and Airbnb right there. Gig walk. I mean, there are so many different opportunities, guys. Again, some of you are going to see multiple opportunities. Some of you are going to see one. Maybe some of you are not going to see any. Chances are, if you don't see anything on here that would work for you, you're probably not interested in making money, okay? Just to be upfront, all right? But again, it's Earn Extra Income is the app. As I could be wrong, but you guys can search for this in the iOS store. I have tried, but I did not find this exact app. I found similar ones, but by far, this is my favorite, whether it's iOS or Android platform. Either way, this is my favorite application to find opportunities to make money, point blank, period, right? But there are others similar out there, guys. If you're familiar with any of these, drop it in the comments below. Let other people know about it so they can check it out for themselves and find opportunity. But with that said, ladies and gentlemen, that is pretty much it. I thought I'd throw this out there for you guys who are looking for opportunity. If you have used this app or any of these opportunities, let us know how it has been for you and your experience with these various opportunities on here. We would love to hear it. Any suggestions, comments, drop it in the comment section. With that said, guys, make sure you're following us on all social media platforms at Revenue Pro Tips. Again, like the video, share it, get on Earn Extra Income, and make some money. With that said, this is Brian with Revenue Pro Tips. We will see you soon. Also, guys, if you are interested in making money online, click the first link in the description below for our #1 recommendation on how to legitimately build a legitimate online business. All right, click that first link in the description below. This is Brian with Revenue Pro Tips. Peace.